Hello, welcome back to Sean's Eye View. This week I'm going to show you around the charming Hermitage Hotel in Jakarta. I stayed here for just one night before my train trip to Jogja, and as you can see, this beautiful old building is now a hotel. So the hotel is two parts: the two-story heritage building from the 1920s that you can see here, which is the function rooms, restaurants, reception, lobby area. And then the rooms are in a modest, modern 7 or 8 story tower adjacent. But it doesn't feel like a modern hotel, as you can see. This is the bakery in the lobby. Beautiful atrium space. If you like vintage cars, you'll enjoy having a look at the Jaguar and the Bentley that are parked up outside. I think they're probably here all the time. This is the 1928 dining room, where the hotel serves a breakfast buffet and has all-day dining menu. And across the lobby is the Hermitage Lounge and Cigar Bar. I actually had dinner in here because it was during Ramadan time and the restaurant was occupied for iftar service, which I didn't need to eat. As you can see, it's a classic hotel bar, and through this doorway is a very nice snug club room. So yes, Indonesia does allow smoking indoors, and as you can see, this bar honours famous celebrity cigar smokers. We've got Bruce Willis here, and then coming up, Madonna, of course. The second floor of the building is function space with a very grand staircase. It's time to show you the tour of the bedroom. So this is in the new wing, directly behind the heritage building. It's seamlessly connected. Took the lift up to the 3rd floor, and here is my room. It's a shame I was only staying the one night and leaving very early the next morning, as the hotel had upgraded me to this lovely executive guest room with lots of space. Yes, it was a very comfortable room and a good night's sleep. So the benefit of having the modern wing to the hotel is up on the roof there is a very nicely equipped gym and a swimming pool. As you can see, it's sheltered from the sun directly. Up some stairs from the pool is La View rooftop bar, which has an impressive view of Jakarta city. I had a few drinks here before my dinner and decided to record the sunset. I hope you enjoy. Yes, I really recommend the Hermitage Hotel in Jakarta. If you're looking for somewhere to stay in the city for a weekend break, away from the business district, somewhere with some charm, character, I think you'll agree this is a great hotel. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe. We like to hear from you, and we'll see you next week with another video. Here are some more that you might enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.